Hey there, future data scientist. Welcome to our channel. If you are passionate about diving deep into a world of data scientists but don't know where to start, you are at right place. In this series, we're gonna take you to an incredible journey from basics of data scientist all the way to become an expert in a field. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with some knowledge looking to level up, you are at right place. Today we'll be looking into an medium level SQL interview question. SQL is a fundamental and necessary skill for a data scientist. Let's get started. So SQL is very primary skill, essential skill for data scientist. I will tell you the reason why it is very essential. The reason is the one advantage that it gives is we don't need to extract data from a database and then call in an Jupyter notebook, either downloading that into an CSV file um, or else directly connecting with that database in an Jupyter notebook and then querying it. So we can directly connect with the database and then write an SQL query, right? So if you wanted to know any insights into an data, or else in this case, right, United Health Cube, right? So you took an policy and then so few people took an policies and then you wanted to know um, your model inference has been correctly predicted or not, or else let us say your model inference wrongly predicted, and then you wanted to diagnose those data points and then wanted to know why it has been wrongly predicted. So you wanted to see that why that customer um, model has been predicted, and then why he is claiming that it's not done right. So all these things, right, it can be easily done using an SQL query. Not only that, senior management ask about any analytics upfront. So in order to get that faster, we use an SQL query rather than pulling that data and then every time you pull and wrong data and then you pull again and correct data and then hit it. So it taking an timely process. So in order to reduce that time and then improve that, or also it is used in various ways in an data engineering as well. So today we'll look into an patient support analysis part 4, United Health SQL entry question. United Health Group has program called Advocate for Me, which allows policyholders or members to call an advocate and receive support from their health care needs, whether that's claim and benefit support, drug coverage, pre and post. So if you have any query with an policy, they wanted to reach out to an advocate for me. Okay. To analyze the performance of program, write a query to determine the month over month growth rate. Okay. For long calls, a long call is defined as any call lasting more than 5 minutes. Okay. So we wanted to write a query to determine the month over month growth rate significant of long calls. Okay. Output the year month in numeric format and chronicle order along with the growth percentage rounded to 1 degree. So let us see how to calculate this growth percentage in the below output table has 100% 200%. Okay, got it. So call count January 1 call, February 0 call, March 1 call, April. Okay, so there is an call counts. January with no previous month call information. The growth percentage shows as null 0. Okay. The absence of call compared to January result is 0% growth rate. Witnessing an increase of one call compared to Feb, the growth percentage is 100%. April soars to three calls compared to March, the growth percentage is 200. The increase of one call, decrease of one call compared to April, the growth is percentage is minus 33.3, which is 1 divided by 3. Okay, so just an previous month number of calls. So current month number of calls minus previous month number of calls divided by previous month number of calls. So it's a growth percentage into 100 percentage. We round it off, and then they want and round it out to one decimal, right? So this is a requirement. So we'll look into a data first. Callers table. All right, we have huge data, and then callers duration seconds. Okay, okay. How the output should be? 2023 first month. What is the growth rate? First month, second month, third month. Okay. Year we need, month we need, then growth rate we need, right? Long calls. Analyze the performance program. Write a query to obtain month over month growth rate of long calls. Long calls is defined as a call lasting more than 5 minutes. So let us see any calls, how many calls are lasting more than 300 seconds, right? So just filter with them where call duration is more than or equal to 300. So right, these are the calls that we need to analyze. And then we need to order by month. So let us see year, how to get an year. Call date, extract year from caller date as YR. YR. Similar fashion, extract month from call data date as MDH. And then call duration we need. Let us also put the case ID, independent ID, case ID. We need case ID, month, year, okay, year, month, and then call duration. So only 2023 data we have it. Great. Let us group by year comma month. And then we need count of star for each month, right? So 1 has 23, 2 has 27, 5 has, okay, 3 has 20, 4 has 21, 5 has, okay, only 6 months data we have it. order by month. We don't need to order now actually. Okay, we can do that as well. So let us create this as view so that we can use this query as another table, right? Select star from city. Let us see the data again. Yeah, what we need is a count of this thing, right? So we also need lag actually of the previous month so that we can just calculate and then get that. So what we here is year we need, month we need, comma, count as current year, current calls, lag as count over partition by month, partition by month. So either we can do order by month directly because we don't need partition at all. Count, sorry, month. Yeah, previous call we got. So this we can call it as 0, and then previous call we got. So previous minus current, current minus previous divided by current is the increase rate, right? That's what I'm understanding is. So there is a null, Feb month 0, sorry, Jan month no previous data, so null, 0% increase. Okay, there is 1% increase, so which is 1 minus 0 divided by 1, which is 1, which is 100%. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, which is 2, 2 divided by 3, sorry, 2 divided by 1, previous month. Okay, divided by previous month, lag. That's what we need. So did we get previous month as well? Okay, so this we can do it in here lag count order by extract month. When we get star other than this, yeah, we got an previous month as well, count and lag. So what we need is year, comma, month, comma, percentage call, right? So percentage call, what we call, first one will be okay, previous month, count minus lag, count minus lag divided by lag. So let us see the this value first. count minus lag. Okay, sorry, it should be in a bracket. Zero. Count, comma, lag. Okay. Now we got an percentage without multiplying 100. Let us see that. Okay, so there is an 4 increase, which is 4 divided by 23, 17 percentage. Okay, 1, so it should be rounded to 1 decimal. Rounded to 1 decimal. Before that I need multiply with this. Comma 1 decimal. Okay, 17 minus 25. Okay, got it. So we don't need now count and lag. We just need this as long call growth percentage. Alright, 6 months chronological order. It is ordered directly. We don't need to order by this. So let us check the solution now. Yeah, solution has been accepted. Yeah, this is one of the way to solve this problem. So we just got an understanding of an SQL problem correctly, right? So by looking into existing solution, and then we just executed what it requires for an SQL query to execute, right? So extra what we did is we use an extract function from SQL, and then we used an lag window function, and then we used an round function, right? And then we used common table expression, which is used to create an simplest to write an query in simplest form, right? So it's an view actually. So it creates an one more table or top of table, existing table, as a view. So these are concepts that we covered in this SQL question. Thanks for watching. If you are ready to unlock the power of data and transform your career, make sure you hit and subscribe button. Join us in an exciting journey. Let's start to become an data scientist expert together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.